Hello friends. So in this video we are going to talk about the CMA interqualified students. So first of all, congratulations to all the people who have put across their efforts to be the rank holders in this particular stream, or to have cleared it with so many attempts. First of all, it doesn't matter whether you have cleared it with so many attempts. Trust me, once you come into final and become a final qualified CMA, nobody is going to see what you have done in your intermediate. So don't be heartbroken. Don't think that your journey is over because you have taken so many attempts to clear your intermediate. It doesn't play a role. But yes, people who have cleared it with good exemptions, people who have cleared it being a rank holder, obviously that plays a cherry on top. So you both of you are under the same roof still. So the only thing that is going to make a little difference is apart from CMA, what all extracurricular activities you have done. So in this competitive examinations, well, be it CA, be it CMA, or be it CS, all of us once qualified will be in the same platform. The only thing that is going to make a difference is what extracurricular activity, what apart from your education you have done. So COVID being an amazing situation right now, you can add on with more skills and utilize more of your time because your exams keep on getting postponed. So you have a lot of time. You have 2 to 3 months in your hand to inculcate so many activities, so many skills that will definitely going to help you in your finals. So if you corely talk about your finance, because we are going to get into the finance industry or probably the teaching industry, so MS Excel is going to help you a lot. Second thing that really needs to be developed over a time is your SAP skills. There are many online modules that are available for 3 months of course, for 6 months of course. You can enroll with that. Or if you're working with any industry as a trainee or as an employee, you need to focus on whatever things you are made to learn in that particular industry, so that it is going to help you in your finals. So my dear friends, everything that you're going to invest from now on is something that is going to add on for a year or two. So do not think that your finals are way more are 2 years later from now. Whatever you're doing in these 2 years should create an impact on your CV once you're a final qualified cost and management accountant. So all the best for your preparation. For any queries, for any subject related queries, I'm there to help you. You can ask me anything through Facebook Messenger, through the comment section of this particular video, or even on Instagram. So all the best for your CMA finals, and all the best for your industry exposure. Work hard. Doesn't matter whether this is COVID time, things are getting delayed. So don't forget, it is not only getting delayed for you, it is getting delayed for our entire world, and what difference you can make in this particular time period is important. So all the best and do well in your upcoming exams.